Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread vada at home. First, gather your ingredients like fresh bread, thick yogurt, and your favorite spices. We'll then prepare a smooth, lump-free batter. Finally, we'll shape the mixture into perfect little discs, ready for frying. It's a simple process that yields delicious results every time. To start, soak your bread slices in water for a few seconds, then squeeze out all the excess liquid. This step is crucial for the right texture. Next, combine the squeezed bread with thick yogurt, a bit of rice flour for crispiness, and finely chopped onions. Don't forget to add fresh ginger, green chilies, curry leaves, and salt to taste for that authentic flavor. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and give it a like. Your support means a lot. On another note, if you love reading, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite. It's perfect for enjoying your favorite books anywhere. You can find the link for the Kindle and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video. Now for the fun part, shaping. Lightly grease your hands to prevent the mixture from sticking. Take a small portion of the batter and form it into a round vada shape, making a small hole in the center, just like traditional medu vada. Carefully drop them into hot oil and fry until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are wonderfully crispy. Your delicious bread vada are now ready to be enjoyed. Serve them hot and fresh for the absolute best taste and texture. They pair wonderfully with a classic coconut chutney or a zesty, spicy tomato sauce. This quick and easy snack is perfect as an appetizer for guests or simply as a delightful treat with your evening tea.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.